Isang kagandang araw ka foodies. For today's video, I'm sharing you a chop suey hack. Tara, let's go!
Hi, so for today we're cooking chop suey.
And let's start sauteing. Ilagay natin ng garlic and onions, and after yung ating atay and balunan.
One of the hacks that I do is to clean the veggies. But this is not plain water. Nilagyan natin ng regular vinegar para mas malinis siya. And also, it's organic. So, okay lang kahit medyo madami yung suka mo ilagay sa water, it would still be organic. We'll start adding in the veggies. Yung pinaka mahirap munang malabog. So, we'll start with the broccoli, carrots, and then young corn. Meron din tayong nilagay na cabbage. Lagay lang natin. And then later, imemekos-mekos lang natin. So, ang hack natin, when you do your slurry, you don't use regular flour or cornstarch. Para mas malasa, you can use Knorr chicken and corn or crab soup. Depende kung anong gusto nyo. And then use this for slurry. So, 1 part water. And then 1 part yung mixture natin for the slurry. And then we'll just mix it. Haluin lang natin. And then yun na. Ito na yung gagamitin natin as thickening agent doon sa chop suey. Hindi ko rin siya ginamitan ng salt because I have 2 senior citizens in the house. So, basically, ang ginamit ko lang seasoning is paminta. And ito na. Ito ng slurry na Knorr chicken and corn soup. So, kung later mamaya, i-taste test natin, mag-add na lang ako ng a pinch of Himalayan salt. So, that's it. Add lang natin yung slurry. And we'll wait for it.
We need to simmer and then wait until the sauce desired consistency is attained. Tada! Ito na yung hinahanap nating consistency. I hope nag-enjoy kayo and definitely dapat nagutom for the tastes ang person. Parang Coke mismo. Char! Hindi. Sakto. Tamang-tama lang.